Board, but he gets rejected. Narito ngayon si J.J. Helderbrand. Nagwalas inside the, or into the front court. Alexander misses. The tip in, wala pa rin. Napulitan ng Willie Miller ang loose ball. Into the front court. Miller against Valenzuela. Cross-court pass to L.A. Tenorio. Tenorio, balik na kay Miller. Binigay sa kanto kay Holcomb with the jump shot. Wala. 5-4 lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Nasa first quarter pa lang tayo mga kaibigan. Mukhang mainit na rin at digitan ng labanan. Parang yung labanan kanina ng Red Bull at saka Santa Lucia won by Red Bull. Uy, ang lakas ng pasa.
He had him open too. Yeah. Libre-libre na si Billy Mamarito. Nagmadali lang ang Barangay Ginebra.
Willie Miller sashaying into the paint. Passes off to Sonny Cos. Nakuha ni Alexander a rebound. And the pass off to Ronald Tibbet from J.J. Hubbard. Nadulas. Ang sakit naman nun. Nag-iisa na lang siya.
He did the hard part, yung habulin yung bola. Pero aksidente ang nangyari kay Ronald Dubit dahil nadulas.
Pero talaga, pagka masyado kaya yata mabilis, ayun, slide. At wala kang magagawa din sa mga ganung mga sitwasyon eh. Ayun, yung mga fans ng Barangay Ginebra doon sa stands, medyo nagre-react. At as usual, masaya po dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Willie Miller. There's a nice bounce pass from Sonny Cos. Binili kay Willie Miller. De La Cruz is open. Wala. And the rebound to Chris Alexander. Down to J.J. Helderbrand. Helderbrand. Sinasalong ni L.A. Tenorio. Ginabas kay Juti Valenzuela against Miller. Against Holcomb. Pinasa sa loob kay Billy Mamaril. Nawala ang bola sa baseline.
You know, Barangay Ginebra likes to play fast. I remember my coach, Derek Kumanan in college, what he usually would say is, be quick but don't be in a hurry. Nakikita natin, Barangay Ginebra, mamadali ngayon sa pagsiset up sa kanilang mga play.
Ano mangyayari kung apurado ka? Bilisan mo lang, pero huwag ka magka-apura. Pero ibig sabihin, Miller, the handoff to Holcomb, and right about the steady toss, who loses possession. Here comes J.J. Helderbrand against the body off the glass. Wanting na pumasok pero meron din foul. Natatawagan kay L.A. Tenorio. Ay, wala mo ng big one. Kung pumasok, ano, medyo malakas lang eh.
You know, at the start of this coverage, we talked about how Mark Caguioa is on the bench, and you would think there would be a downgrade in quickness para sa Barangay Ginebra. But if you insert Ronald Dubit, ganun din eh. Ganun din ang bilis.
Yun nga sinasabi rin ni Eric Reyes, ano, na komportable si Mark Caguioa na hindi siya starting five. Manggagaling siya sa papasok siya from the bench. Dahil alam naman niya, wala namang ano eh. Wala namang, hindi naman bababa yung sigla o energy ng kanyang kumunang, as you can see.
And I've been watching Barangay Ginebra doing a lot of their games lately, and what I notice is the guard really makes a lot of decisions, and by having just one of them at the same time, they become the focal point for that group.
Mas maganda yung hindi nakakalito, no? That's right. Kickball situation, and it'll stay with the Alaska Aces. We've got 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. At lamang ng tatlo ang Barangay Ginebra over Alaska at 7-4. L.A. Tenorio binigay kay Sonny Cos. Inabot naman kay L.A. Tenorio for 3. Tian Tresyan. Galing kay L.A. Tenorio. He's got 7 points already. Lahat ng puntos, as a matter of fact, ng Alaska galing kay L.A. Tenorio. Here's Junti Valenzuela para sa Barangay Ginebra. Chris Alexander, lalo kay Sonny Cos as a double team. They swing it over the J.J. Helderbrand is open, but he misses the shot. And Art De La Cruz, Tony De La Cruz has the rebound. Ito ngayon si Willie Miller. Passes back to Sonny Cos. Napitawan ng bola. Tumatakbo na naman ang Barangay Ginebra. J.J. Helderbrand to Tubing! And the fast break play results. And once again, a 2-point lead here para sa Barangay Ginebra at 9-7. Nakikita po yung pagkaripas sa takbo ng Barangay Ginebra. Lamang ng konti sa takbuhan. Lamang naman sila ng dalawa over Alaska at 9-7. Alright, naglalaro po mga kaibigan Barangay Ginebra at Alaska Aces. First quarter pa lang tayo dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City. Lamang ang Barangay Ginebra ng dalawa at 9-7. Nakikita po ninyo si J.J. Helderbrand. Ito, pakikita namin sa inyo ang isang magandang kinana ni JJ Helterbrand. TM3 yan natin sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte SIM. 30 pesos lang, may bagong diskarte ka na. Punong-puno po ang Cuneta Astrodome dito sa Pasay City. Bagamat kanina, maaga-aga pa, no? Umulan ng konti. Pero ngayon, narito na po lahat at masayang-masaya ang ating mga kapwa-suki ng PBA. At pinanonood po ito naman ito ng Barangay Ginebra, Alaska Aces. Nasa Alaska ang bola. Tony De La Cruz. Holcomb. Ay, wala na ron si Tony. Ay, oo, nung pinasa ni Randy Holcomb, medyo hindi nagkaintindihan. Still a 2-point lead for Barangay Ginebra with 7:08 remaining in the first quarter.
Little trick up the sleeve of Coach Jongoy Chico after that timeout. You know that Alaska gonna set up a play. Ang ginawa niya, sumona siya para yung plano ng Alaska madiskarel.
At ganoon na nga nangyari, no? Ronald Tubid trying to shake off Willie Miller. Short jumper is good. Para kay Tubid. 6 points now para kay Ronald Tubid.
At both sides of the court, it's the guards that are scoring. 7 points for LA, Tubid and Helterbrand, all responsible for all the 11 points.
Good make by Willie Miller on the run. Willie Miller scores. At eto, dikit na naman ang laban mga kaibigan. Para kanina, nung Red Bull at saka Santa Lucia, nabanggit nga natin, mahigpit na ng laban pero nagwagi pa rin ang Red Bull by 485-81. And a deer steal by LA Tenorio. JJ Hunter-Ray walking the tightrope and falling.
But again, Alaska doubling Chris Alexander at the post. At nakita na naman natin doon, swinging the ball, Barangay Ginebra, they just have to be able to swing that ball to the open man. Sabi na naman, nagmadali na naman, Ed.
Oo nga, sinabi ng mag-aapure. Ito, Willie Miller, sabi niya, ito, kaya ko na to. TM3, galing kay Willie Miller. Medyo nagbabawi ito, alam naman natin, galing sa chicken pox.
Gotta keep your eyes on him.
Yeah. Lamang na po ang Alaska by 1. Junti Valenzuela sumaksak sa loob and gets the layup. And grabs the lead back para sa Barangay Ginebra by 1 at 13-12. And a Tenorio sinesenyo sa play para sa Alaska Aces. Binigay kay Tony De La Cruz to Willie Miller. Narin to Randy Holcomb. Holcomb looking inside. Finds Sonny Toss with a short jumper. Yes! Nahuli ng konti si Chris Alexander on defense.
Unsung hero for Alaska Aces has to be Sonny Toss. You look at that lineup, siya lang lagi ang babantay sa import. Every time he goes to the gym, he knows it's going to be his responsibility to stop a 6'9" or taller import.
Masakit sa katawan niya. Junti Valenzuela called for traveling. 5:03 to go, first quarter. Tony De La Cruz. Miller. Uy. Tatawagin si Ronald Tubid as he chased after Willie Miller. Hinawakan daw niya. Holding foul is called on Ronald Tubid. First personal foul on Tubid.
Tubid trying to tighten the screws dahil ilang sunod na rin si Willie Miller na dikit na mga basket.
Sabi nga natin, nagpapawi yan. Kaya delikado yan. Tony De La Cruz. Sonny Toss. Good fake. Naiwanan si Alexander. And that almost went in. Pero merong foul on Junti Valenzuela.
A bit tentative on that move.